Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today. This is day number 3 of our daily DIY projects for quarantine. I decided to do daily videos to keep you guys entertained, and I'm showing you this week floral design. This is our third arrangement and it's going to be a really tall one, so I cannot wait to get started. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, well, don't forget to turn the notification bell on, and don't forget to share this with a friend so they can come and join our quarantine decorating. All right, you guys, let's get started. The very first thing I want to mention is this tray right here. This came from the dollar store, and we're also going to use 2 blocks of foam that I went ahead and glued on it. But to save us time, because this is our third video on floral design, then I went ahead and already greened one. But if you don't know how to green a container, you can watch my previous video with the lemon design so you can learn how to green properly a container. And to work with this a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and raise it up from our flat surface because it is going to be done for a container like this. This can be perfect for a wedding. This could be perfect for a baby shower. This could be perfect for a church. All right, so I went ahead and basically did a basic greenery right here. As you guys can see, it's going to be super large and lavish. And then I saved some other large greeneries on this side that I want to show you how to add. These long ferns really can add some height to the bouquet, which is what we're gonna be looking for, something high, tall, and lavish. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one to the left, and I'm gonna go ahead and add one to the right. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some shorter ones, and always remember to insert your flowers sideways, never insert flat. Always give them that little curvature and then add to the bouquet. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flip all the way around because I added one going this side, then I'll go ahead to mirror on the other side, go on the other side, going the exact same way but opposite. All right, so then I'm gonna give it a slight turn right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this guy right here on the top to kind of create that triangle that we always talk about here when we're doing floral design. Perfect, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add one right here. And as you guys can see, this is getting very lavish and very big. And I'm gonna spin it around, and I'm gonna go ahead and add one right here. Then I have these pieces of foliage that I actually cut from a plant, you guys. I bought this plant at a thrift store and I liked it, but I didn't like it as a plant because they kind of look fakey. So I went ahead and just cut all of my foliages and clean them. And so now I can use them, as you can see, to use them as a green base for my floral arrangements. And all you have to do is basically go in there. Oh, I absolutely love a large bouquet like this. I worked as a florist for over 10 years, and my favorite thing to do was to do the churches because we got to do some very lavish designs. I'm gonna throw up some pictures right now so you can see what we did for Easter, what we did for Mother's Day, what we did for weddings. So that was like my favorite thing to do, floral arrangements. And actually my favorite part of a floral design is the greenery, because to me it's just as important. As you guys can see, it can really create some drama on your bouquet. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and swirl around. Let me see, where do we need it? We need one right here. This is our last one. All right, so now the very first flower that I'm gonna bring in is going to be some hydrangea. And I have this container with pearl hydrangeas. I have 5, so I'm gonna go ahead and add those. It's gonna be the first to our recipe. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, please be free to leave me a comment down below. I figure it would be so much fun to do some daily videos. So if you want to see more daily videos, there's more coming. This is only our third one. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a triangle 1, 2, and then I'm gonna do one here. I'm gonna add this shorter one right here. And I really like this hydrangea because it comes with this greenery as well. So I have 3 on one side. As you guys can see, there's a triangle that we always talk about. Then I'm gonna go on the other side, and I'm gonna do 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one right here, like this. Then I'm gonna add one more right here. Now I don't want them to be as close to the vase because I want it to be airy and grand. If you push them closer to the base, then you're actually not giving them volume. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put it down so I can continue to design. Then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add these mums to fill in the spots. Now this, because this is a smaller flower, I wanna add it in groups of 2s. So as you guys can see right here, I'm gonna add 2. And the reason why you wanna do that is because when you add them by groups, they show better. So you wanna go ahead that they show better. And this bigger flower will help you cover some of that empty spot. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right here, there's a big gap right here. So what you want to do is you wanna add sets of 2s and 3s to fill in the spots like this. Give it a little pull down. I'm gonna add one up here with this hydrangea. Perfect. Let me swirl around. This is so pretty, and this, like I said, it would be perfect for a wedding. Now, to me, what really adds character to a bouquet like this, it's lilies, and it's one of my favorite flowers. Hydrangea and lily is probably my favorite flower combination of all times. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this white lily, and to me also all white for weddings, for Easter, for celebrations, especially if it's a grand bouquet like this, all white is the way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one up here. And this one that has 2, I'm gonna go ahead and add right here. Then what you need to do is you need to continue to rotate this bouquet because that's the way you're going to balance the bouquet, all right? Then you add one right there. And with the spots where you have bigger gaps, that's where you want to introduce the flower that has 2 or do sets of 2s. I cannot wait to show you guys. The next one is going to be my favorite. If you think this is big, wait till you see the next bouquet that I have planned for tomorrow. It's gonna be so much fun. And you have to continue to rotate this bouquet. Look how gorgeous and grand this is, you guys. Oh, I love it. All right, so then at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get rid of all of our containers and I'm gonna put them over here. Because what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put this bouquet on top of this clear container to show you guys how grand this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and get it closer over here. And then you put this on top of your container and look how beautiful this is. And what I like also is to grab some of this ivy. I'm going to grab my cutters and I'm going to cut the longer strands of ivy. And this is a trick I can give you because the taller the bouquet is sitting, the more it needs to drape down. So it looks beautiful from below. So basically what you want to do is you want to grab some ivy and you want to poke it into your foam like this. See how beautiful it just cascades down. I absolutely love doing big tall flower bouquets like this. This is a really tall one, so I'm gonna add it right here to the front. And look at all that drama that just creates. If you've been following the channel, you know that I'm a sucker for floral drama. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this guy right here. All right, everyone, so this is what our large bouquet looks like. And I cannot wait to read your comments. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think about this really extravagant bouquet. If you learned something, I want to know. I cannot wait to show you tomorrow's bouquet, so please be sure to come back. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and share with a friend. Let them know that we're doing quarantine decorating here at Ramon at Home. I really hope you've learned something today. Until next time, bye.